Amber Alert.
We have tape, sticky, strong. This message was from the Canadian government. Event type: attack, meaning an attack is in progress for our country.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air.